Cut din update. Yan, may nagpa-picture pa nga kay Alden. Ito yung nag-personalize ng Tumblr dati ni Alden. Ito yung picture. Ayan, no? Ayan siya yung may gawa niya, no? Iron Man sa Myriad. Ito sabi dito sa caption, sobrang ganda ng movie. Ang galing ni Alden Richard at Captain Bernardo. Panoorin nyo ang Ilola Bagin. Yun, no? Ito pa yung ganap ng cut din. And nakapagpa-picture pa si Miss Shara Bani sa cut din. During Asian World Film Festival, yung tinawag na captain. Ayan, nilalaan ni Ate si Catherine. Yes. Ayan, nasa panel sila para interviewin sila ng mga press.
It left us with so many questions, and fast forward to 2024, here we are doing the sequel. This was also a surprise for the both of us. And I guess we just both said yes because we have so many unanswered questions. We want to know what happened to Ethan and Joy. We want to know if they were able to, pursue their dreams and all. And hopefully this sequel.
Nag-sign ang captain sa poster. Ayan, pinirmahan nila yung poster ng Ilola Bagin dyan sa LA. Ayan, dami pa ang tao dyan. Masaya sila napanood nilang Ilola Bagin sa special screening dyan sa LA. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more update. And this is Richard Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for more update. See ya.